Did you know you can survive weeks without food, days without water, but only minutes without oxygen? When we understand this, we start to see health in a whole new way. Hi, my name is Charles Barber, and for the last 17 years, I've worked in this wellness center with doctors, professional athletes, moms, dads, brothers, sisters, shamans, helping them get their health on track. And I've learned just as much from them as they've learned from me. And I've taken all those experiences and turned it into something that you can use every single day. By the end of this program, and actually from the very beginning, you will start to get step-by-step actions that you can take to improve your health dramatically. One of the most common denominators I see that's missing in health and wellness is mastering the foundation of health and wellness. Oxygen, water, and sodium. These are what your body needs before anything else. This is the foundation. Because first, we have to breathe. We need oxygen, right? It's the most important nutrient we have. Then we need water because we're literally made mostly of it. And it drives almost every single function in our cells. And third is sodium. Yeah, the thing we're told not to even have very much of. This is the third essential element the body needs for hydration, nerve function, and keeping your body in balance. Once we establish this deep understanding of these core foundational elements, everything starts to change, and all you have to do is apply what you learn. From there, we'll branch out to powerful daily habits and routines, how to optimize your sleep, how to optimize energy, what supplements are good, which ones are bad, what to look for, you name it. You're actually going to be able to be your own health practitioner after this course. And the course will be interactive. You'll be able to ask questions, and we'll have a quiz at the end of each module to help you retain the information. So take a deep breath, because this is where your new health journey begins. And I'm so excited to dive in with you. Let's go.